Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. You want more information about how to remove a sliver from a dog's foot? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to remove a sliver from a dog's foot is www.youtube.com. See the page titled Trying to Remove Huge Splinter in Foot, YouTube. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.youtube.com, especially the page How to Remove an Old Splinter, Part 1, YouTube. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see parents.berkeley.edu. The web page Berkeley Parents Network, How to Remove a Splinter. Here's the link.